Hello everyone. Today is a great day to do a carrot sauce. Ingredients we have here sofrito. This is spinach sofrito. This is parquet butter. We get apple cider vinegar, black pepper, a little bit of sazon, and cayenne pepper. First you want to add 4 tablespoons of butter into the blender. Then you want to add carrot leaves. Make sure to piece off this part right here. This is the stem, so you want to pull that part off. See, took it off. You just want just the leaves alone. Make sure that you take off all the stems and just keep just the leaves. And you just put that in there. So it's going to be 2 cups of carrot, natural homegrown carrot leaves. I'm going to add a little bit of extra. This is onions. It's called scallops. So you want to put that in there. Although you're going to put sofrito in there, you just want to add that to give it more extra flavor. Okay, so you want to add at least 2 long leaves of scallops. Okay, these are beets leaves. If you don't have any beets, that's fine. You could always use the canned beets, the little juice out of it. But since this gives a little beetsy, nice flavor to your ingredients, you want to add some beets leaves. This is all naturally grown in garden thumbs. But if you don't have beets leaf, that's okay. You could use the canned one, but I prefer you contact me so that you could get some beets leaf. I have plenty of those if you do need any to highlight your sauce or any flavors in your recipe. So you add that in there. About 6 beets leaves will be great, just to add that there. Now we have lemon balm. You have about 6 lemon balm leaves, just to give that extra tangy flavor with the carrots. I'm telling you, this is going to be really delicious. I usually like to add 1 lemon leaf. Lemon leaves are really good. If you don't have any lemon, you could always squeeze a lime or a lemon in there to give it that extra. But with the lemon leaf, it has so many enzymes. It's really good vitamins to add into your sauce. So you want to add that too into that, so it could be really delicious. Okay, now it's time for your sofrito. You just want to add 2 tablespoons of sofrito. And this is spinach sofrito, so this is really good. I made this spinach sofrito. If you would like, just to make a little extra, you could always add a couple more spinach leaves in there, which is, probably 3 or 4. If not, you could continue adding some more sofrito in there, and this is your spinach sofrito. Apple cider vinegar is really good for you, so you want to add at least 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. There you go. Love sazon, so this is something that I cook with all the time. It's a traditional Crucian Spanish seasoning. If you have other seasoning that you preferred, fine, but this one here is what I'm going to use for my carrot sauce. 1 pack will do great, so that will make that look really good in there. So yeah, oh my goodness, it's starting to look delicious already. See that? Okay, you want to add some black pepper, just to give it a little, spice it up. Just add some black pepper. I usually try to do a teaspoon of black pepper. If you like a little bit more spice, a little bit more black pepperish, you can add as much as you would like, but usually I just add a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm going to add some of the cayenne pepper, at least a tablespoon of cayenne pepper. I like a little spice when it comes to cayenne. You could add teaspoon, or you want to add less, or you want to add more. It's fine, but I'm going to add a tablespoon of cayenne pepper. Because I want my carrot sauce to be spicy and delicious. If you like, you could always add dry carrot leaves just to give you a little bit of carrot leaves in there. So you can have a little bit of carrot leaves if you want that, or you want it fresh. Of course, we'll give that as well. But this one, I keep this one for myself. Oh my God. Okay, you want to start blending, so you want to go ahead and put 1 cup of water in here. So just add the 1 cup of water like that. That's about that much. And then you want to go ahead and start blending. Because of the butter and everything, this is what it looks like. You could always use this on a salad if you would like. It's ready to use. Put it on a salad. You could put it on your vegetables, your steamed vegetables or whatnot. But since I'm going to make a sauce, I'm going to go ahead and add that sauce right in here and have it bubbled up really nicely. So I mix it really nice. Oh yeah. One day, a royal queen is in her royal castle, asks her royal cook to cook her some royal carrot soup. The cook came in and said, "Yes, sure, my royal queen, I'm gonna get you some carrot soup." So the cook went looking around the village and around the market to see if he could find some carrots, but he couldn't find any carrots. So he was sad. He didn't know if he should go back to the queen and tell her that there's no carrots, because he was afraid that she will be off with his head. But one day he looks around all over the kingdom, and still there was 2 days that he couldn't find any carrots. But the queen was so furious. "Where is my carrot soup? Where is my carrot soup? I want my carrot soup!" But then the cook happened to see a rabbit bouncing around the forest. He stops and said, "Hey, you rabbit! Where is all the carrots? I can't find any carrots." And the rabbit looks up. "Oh, you're looking for carrots? It's right at Garden Thumbs." "Garden Thumbs?" "Yeah, follow me. I'm going to show you where all the carrots are." So the cook went and followed the rabbit, and the rabbit just bouncing, going, bouncing, going, bouncing, going, bouncing, going. And there it was, all these delicious carrots. So he starts to pull some carrots, and took some carrots, and he told the rabbit, "Thank you. I'm going to come back and give you a royal gift for those royal carrots at Garden Thumbs." So the rabbit starts snapping his hands and slapping his feet. Yay! So then, all of a sudden, he goes now with a bag full of carrots. And he goes and he puts it in his side of his pot. He made up this beautiful soup. Yummy carrot soup. And then he goes up to the queen. And the queen goes, "It's about time. Why did it take you 2 days to get me some carrot soup?" So he explains to the queen and says, "Hey, queen, it's just because, I couldn't find any carrot soup, but this rabbit came and just gave me some ideas and go to Garden Thumbs." And then she goes now and she dips into the soup and she this is delicious carrots. Wow. So he told the cook, find out what they do with this kind of carrot. It is magically, deliciously royal. I love it. So then the cook goes back to Garden Thumbs, but there's no more carrots. Everyone went with the carrots, so all the rabbits took the carrots. So he goes, carrot, carrot, please tell me, where is all the carrots? I don't know. The queen wants some more carrots. So the rabbit comes out and he says, well, where's my gift? And he goes, it's in the palace, but I have to ask the queen for the gift. And he goes, well, you're not going to have any more carrots unless you give me my gift. And he said, but wait, Garden Thumbs, it was supposed to be here. Why is it no more carrots? And he said, well, you have to come back with a gift. So then the cook goes back and told the queen, hey, the rabbit don't have any more carrots. He needs a gift for it to be given to him, and the rabbit will give all the carrots. So the queen goes, all right then. She went now and summoned the rabbit. Rabbit, rabbit, right here, come here, right here. And the rabbit appears in the kingdom. Oh, wow. The rabbit looks around and goes, what am I doing here? What's going on? So the queen goes, well, obviously, you seem to have all those delicious Garden Thumbs carrots. Where is the carrots? Because I want to have some royal soup, and those carrots are so delicious. So the rabbit goes and goes, all right, I'll get you some carrots, my royal queen. But I would like to have a gift. So he said, what is your wish? He said, well, I want to have plenty more carrots for me at Garden Thumbs. So the queen goes, that would not be your problem. You will have all the carrots you would need, and I will have all the carrot soup I would need. And then the queen goes, well, you're invited to my royal dinner tonight with a royal carrot soup. So now the queen and the rabbit sat at the royal table and ate some delicious carrot soup. And they have many more carrots for the rest of Garden Thumbs' business. The end.